Taking off of this manifold hose assembly right here, which connects to this right in here. YouTube, boom. Do not forget your O-rings that goes into this. Those little green thingies. Get this off of Amazon for $52. So we'll show you that real quick. Right there, $52. Manifold hose assembly. Expansion valve. And these for the little frame cover. You're gonna need to pull out the AC compressor from right here. There's 3 to 4 bolts in there, which comes down. You would take the bolts, it's up under the Expedition, 2006 Ford Expedition. It will be up under here where the bolts would be. We want you to get a good face. See this face on this Expedition. The 03 to 06 looks the exact same. This is the area where the AC compressor is, up under the Ford Expedition. Right in this area, right there. Hopefully I got a good recording of it. Could not find this video. Nowhere. Right in there. Right in there. See those cords? Okay. Right there, where those cords are at. This case right here will be placed right in front of this. It would be placed right in front of this with 2 8mm bolts. That goes right here. So you can see right here. One on this side and one on the other side. Right there. And then you have your fan. You just, that orange fan will show you it will be placed right here. This fan got this bolt right here. Screwed on right here. You're gonna use a chain wrench. Oh, you know what I did. Right here. This right here, you can wrap a chain around it. I'm finna show you. From what my pops taught me. Use a chain, something like that. Wrap it in a circle around it and put this bolt through it to hold it in place. Then what you're gonna do is, next, you're gonna get one of these channel wrenches and you're gonna hold on to that fan bolt, which would be right here if the fan was right here. And you're gonna pull it left. You may need 2 people because someone's gonna have to hold this with that chain with the bolt through it. And you're gonna have to have this channel lock and you're gonna pull it to break it and loose it. Then you can just spin the fan off. These come in handy a whole lot. Then the air intake. This right here is in here, like that. I'm gonna show you the full setup. Do not forget this right here, because this is where this just pulls out. You'll pop these holes out on this thing. I will show you. Okay, as you can see, it's like this. So you will just pop this up right there. Pop this up right there. This will come off like that. Then you're gonna take this out, put this up here. Don't pull this out all the way. You're gonna stick your hands in here and there's like a little leverage thingy because it's hooked on like that. You're gonna pull up like that and watch it pop out. You gotta put some pressure on it too. There you go. Then it pops out like that. these two holes right here, this is where this fits in to bring this down. They will pop into this place right in there. I want you to get a good look at that. These little two feeties go right into here. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna show you it all set up. Yeah, don't forget to slide it in there. This end goes right there. See, this little cord thingy goes in here, right there. Get a good look at that. You're just gonna put everything back. Boom, that goes in there. This thing goes in here. Do not want to put it together so you all can see what it looks like before and you put it together. Other things, 1/2 tensioner. Get that, you know, so you can get this belt off too. So you can get to that AC compressor. Just right in here. Look at that. Right there. That will loosen the tension of the belt so you can start unscrewing those 3 bolts on it. Now check this out. This right here is the manifold hole assembly. There was a crack right here, which is leaking out the freon out of it. Crack. So, manifold holes assembly could be messed up. Right there, crack. Replace this. As I showed you, Amazon has it for $52. Maybe be cheap when you do it, because it's 2021. Maybe cheaper than next year. I don't know. Amazon or eBay, that is the place to go. Amazon or eBay, that's the place to go. Leak could be right here. All right, y'all have a blessed one. Be blessed and highly favored. Peace in the Middle East.